what day is today? Well, I think we didn't film a couple days,
No,
so
we've
maybe
missed a
like
few.
day 10.
Something like that, yes. So I was out yesterday and it was getting crunchy. So I got a little nervous. Missy, talked me down here.
See, as you can see, we've got
So
all
can you see
these
behind us there?
flowers here.
All the way
Looking
down.
pretty.
It's looking really good.
So,
And then we've got sunflowers behind us, or on the other side. Check all the beautiful sunflowers. So we're trimming and trying to figure out the best way to do it. You're working on the boutonnieres and the corsages, I guess.
Yeah, trying to figure those out.
And then now we got to work on your bouquet.
Yep. Oh yeah, that's true. Okay.
So,
We'll
next
film some of that too.
Yeah.
But anyways, how many? 24 days?
24?
23? 24,
Really?
23? I don't know. Yeah.
Ooh.
No, today's the 24.
Yeah.
Less than 24. So.
They just have to last. So if you're praying, people, we pray that they last until we pick the last ones.
Yeah.
And then
get everything
and pray
together.
for rain.
Yes.
I know y'all don't like rain, but we need some rain.
We do. It's been pretty dry, so we need to keep them alive.
Absolutely.
But anyways, all right. I think
good?
that's all. Yeah. All right.
See ya.
It's September 8th, and it is our last day of pruning.
I think so.
So hopefully we don't prune too much, and then,
And then, how many days?
19.
19 days. They look beautiful. She'll take some
So
pictures.
you can
and
see
back
through
there.
here.
They're just gorgeous. So it's kind of exciting. It's like, okay, keep praying.
Yeah. Yeah.
Good weather and rain, just a little rain, not a lot, and a lot of sun.
Yes.
And warmth.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Good.
All right. 1 hour, 6 minutes, and 23 seconds of picking. We timed it, so.
It's pretty good. I think we got a lot. There's a lot of blooms ready to come up.
So hopefully we
You
didn't.
can see the buckets over there. You can see them. So now we'll go
There you go.
put them in.
So we got all these in that hour. Lots of pinks, but I think it'll work.